So you want to buy Bitcoin, but you have a lot of questions. Where's the best place to buy it? Where do I store it? And can I buy just a fraction of it? We're going to go over how to buy Bitcoin in today's 2-minute tutorial. Buying Bitcoin can be broken down into 3 simple steps. Get a wallet, find your Bitcoin address, and buy your Bitcoins. The first step is to get your very own Bitcoin wallet, a program for sending, receiving, and storing Bitcoin. Bitcoin wallets can be broadly divided into 2 categories: software wallets and hardware wallets. Software wallets are programs or apps that run on your computer or mobile device. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are small physical devices that connect to your computer to send and receive Bitcoin and are much safer for storing it. If you're buying a small amount of Bitcoin, and yes, you can buy fractions of a Bitcoin for smaller amounts, then a free software wallet will do just fine. But if you're planning on accumulating larger amounts of Bitcoin, it's safer to store it on a hardware wallet. Once you have your wallet, make sure to find your Bitcoin address. A Bitcoin address is what you give out when you want someone to send you Bitcoin. It's a long string of letters and numbers that start with either a 1 or a 3. Okay, now that you have where to put it, you need to know where to get it. We recommend you buy your Bitcoin on an exchange. Exchanges can also be divided into 2 categories: brokers and trading platforms. Brokers sell you Bitcoin directly through a fast and easy process, but with higher fees. They are extremely suitable for beginners. Trading platforms connect you with sellers anonymously and allow for more trading options. Trading platforms have much lower fees than brokers, but are better suited for more experienced users. For your first purchase, we recommend going with a reputable broker. Finally, while some exchanges will store the coins for you on their site, you'll want to make sure to withdraw them to your own wallet by sending them to the Bitcoin address you found in step 2. This way, you keep full control of your Bitcoins. That's today's 2-minute tutorial. For a complete list of recommended wallets, brokers, and trading platforms, as well as in-depth step-by-step guides, make sure to check out the links in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency